Reversible fan Da17 to 51L12 BIA to 51 to 12. Instructions for reversible fan operation. This fan has a diameter of 170 millimeters, a thickness of 50 millimeters, and is perfectly circular. The fan blades are angled at 45 degrees. It features both forward and reverse rotation modes. The flow rate is consistent in both directions. This fan is specifically designed for fresh air systems. Power supply voltage, 12 volts. Power consumption, 5 watts. Very energy efficient. Speed is only 2,100 revolutions per minute. Low noise operation. However, this fan has a large flow rate. Maximum capacity, 300 cubic meters per hour. This fan has a forward and reverse rotation function. The fan's forward and reverse rotation is controlled via an FR lead wire. FR wire suspended. Fan rotates clockwise. FR wire connected to GND. Fan rotates counterclockwise. Of course, this fan also has a speed control function. This fan has a PWM signal line. The fan speed can be adjusted by inputting the PWM percentage. TK Fan welcomes your inquiries.